Devo's unique architecture and open data model lets you collect, analyze, and draw conclusions from data. You can use lookup tables to enrich this data by establishing complex relationships between any data in Devo. You can create lookups in Devo using CSV files, but here we will focus on using existing data in Devo, known as query lookups. With your data table open, go to Additional Tools and select New Query Lookup. In the New Query Lookup menu, we must decide whether we wish to create a static query lookup using data from specified periods of time, or a dynamic lookup, real-time data. Here we will create a static query lookup. For this, we must select the required time range when turning off the real-time event flow. Give it a name and drag the fields to be part of your lookup. Select the key field. This will be the key field in the lookup table used to match values in the data table. In our example, this will be the field containing the country, which exists both in the lookup table and the original data table. Notice the time range lookup checkbox. Both static and dynamic lookups can be created as a time range lookup, matching the key field to results corresponding to the timestamp field of your query. For more information on this, see the video in the description below. Save the settings to create the new lookup. You can see all the lookups that you have access to in the Data Search Lookup Management area, including the one we just created. Check the Status field to see the status of the lookup. Once the icon is green, it is ready to use. Click the expandable icon to see a summary of the lookup. The Sharing field shows the sharing status of the lookups. When you create lookups, they are classified as private, so only the owner and users with the relevant permissions can see them in the Lookup Management area. To make them shared, you need to share them first with at least one role. Click the ellipsis menu on the right of the lookup row and select Share. Use the search field at the top and select the desired roles. Give them view access, or click the Edit checkbox of desired roles to increase the scope of interaction. Click Apply when you finish. Once shared for the first time, it will be marked as shared. Roles with the relevant permissions can manage them here or in the Roles Management area. Users can now use this lookup to enrich the information in a different table. Notice this table does not include a status code field. We can add this information using our lookup. Go to Create field and search for the lookup we have just created and shared. Select status code and add the country argument, as this is the key field we chose to match with. With this operation, when the countries match, their status code will be added to the table. Create the field and see the corresponding data appear in a new field in your table, thus enriching your data. Thanks for watching this video. Visit us online to keep up to date with the latest content.